Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. And if you are new here, hey, you, hello. I'm super excited to have you join us today. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my DIYs that you can use to grow your hair really fast. This DIY can help with your edges, it can help with your scalp, and it can also help you grow much thicker hair. So if you're ready for this, let's go find our first ingredient from the store. So our first ingredient is the rosemary. Guys, I want to hear from you whether you've used rosemary in any ways, whether in your cooking or in your hair. I would like to hear from you. But this is why I love the rosemary herb. Aside that it's easy to find and very inexpensive, it stimulates and improves circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging hair growth. Also, due to its antibacterial quality, it gently cleanses the hair. It adds some shines to the hair and also relieves irritated, dry or flaky scalp. And guess what? Rosemary water can help you get rid of your dandruffs. So if you're not using rosemary, girl, you are missing out on something good. Well, let's find the second ingredient that we're going to use to make this recipe. But before that, guys, I would like you to show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please subscribe and click on the bell. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that will help you grow your hair faster. And also, I do simple hairstyle tutorials that can help you style your hair each and every day. Let's go find our second ingredient. The second ingredient we're going to use is the cloves. Guys, if you've been following me on this channel and you do not know about cloves, then you haven't been watching my videos. So make sure you watch all my videos because I love cloves. I love everything about cloves and I use it in most of my DIYs. This is why I love the nutrients in cloves can help promote hair growth. It can also act as a conditioner to your hair. Clove water can help prevent itchy scalp, dry scalp, or even dandruff. If you are someone with premature growing of hair, you can use clove water to prevent that. It also helps with hair loss as well as soothing the scalp, promoting new hair growth. So as you see, guys, each ingredient that I put together, they have similar properties. So when they are put together, they give you the maximum benefit. Okay, let's go ahead with the recipe. So I start by adding some cloves to a pot of boiling water. Then after that, I add my rosemary. I leave it to boil together for about 5 minutes or till you see color change. And when you see all the pink or brownish color, then this is what we need. At this point, we're going to drain the water and we have our spray all ready. And this is what we're looking for, guys. But I'm going to add some other little ingredients to it to even make it work much better. But you do not have to add any of these to it. My lavender oil, you know, I love it because of the fragrance it adds to my solution. If you do not have lavender oil, you can use your water just as so. Then after that, I'm adding my vitamin E oil. The vitamin E oil helps increase the lifespan of this solution and it also helps strengthen the hair, and that is why I love adding it to my DIYs. And the next thing I add is the tea tree oil. Guys, just reading on the bottle, you will know so many benefits of the tea tree oil. It helps strengthen the hair, it helps prevent dandruffs, and also helps prevent itchy scalp. So all these ingredients have similar properties and when put together will help you grow much healthier hair. After that, I mix it together like no one's business. So I'm going to transfer it through a funnel into a spray bottle to make the use very easier. And guys, I'm going to show you how to use it as well as how to store the leftover. So make sure you are watching this video to the end so you do not miss any part of it. Most of you will not watch the video to the end and you still ask questions of the same things that I made mention in the video. Please make sure you are watching to the end because I make sure I answer all your questions in my videos. And if you are still watching and haven't given this video a thumbs up, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for future videos. I do a lot of DIYs on this channel as well as simple hairstyle tutorial that you can rock with your hair as well as kids hairstyle tutorial. So I got you all, moms. Make sure you subscribe. So this is my hair is all dried. I did a protective hairstyle about 4 days ago and it needs some TLC. So I'm going to use my spray today to make sure to moisturize it and get it to all the places that I need it to be, like my edges, my roots, my scalp, everywhere. And guys, when you're using these DIYs, make sure you are getting to the ends of your hair, because remember, the ends of our hair is the oldest part of the hair, so it needs some love, it needs some TLC. So whenever you are concentrating on your scalp, make sure you are also concentrating on the ends. And guys, look at how my hair is already shining. It went from dry to moisturized. So I just put it together, and this is how to store it. If you have some leftovers, you can use your ice cube containers, put it in it, put it in your freezer and freeze it like so. When you have it this way, it's going to last forever. And whenever you need it, you just bring it out, leave it to dissolve, and you will have your fresh water again to use. But it doesn't take so much time to prepare the spray. So I usually would do the spray and use it for about a week and make new ones. And I do not have to use the freezing method. But if you are busy and you cannot make this spray every week, then make sure you are freezing it. And guys, I show you a lot of DIYs on this channel, and they are all organic and natural ingredients. So just give them a try in whichever you feel comfortable with, and whichever helps your hair. Make sure you're using one at a time, at least for a month or two, and if you love it, you stick to it. This is it for today. Before you leave, click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it.